Welcome to my channel. Friends, today's video topic is bold colored laundry room ideas. Friends, laundry rooms, also known as utility rooms, are spaces within a home specifically designed for laundering clothes. They are typically house appliances like washing machine, dryers, and sometimes additional like sinks, ironing boards, and storage areas for laundry, detergents, and supplies. Friends, these ideas are very beautiful and colorful. In these ideas, you will see also color combination. So friends, watch this video from start to end without skipping any part of the video. Friends, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Friends, in interior design, bold color refer to vibrant, strong, and attention-grabbing hues. When applied in a laundry room, bold colors serve several significant purposes. Friends, bold color infuse energy into the space, transforming the laundry room into a lovely environment. Bold colors make a statement and add visual interest to an otherwise utilitarian space. They can create a striking focal point and enhance the overall aesthetic of the room. Friends, using bold colors allows homeowners to express their personality and style. It is an opportunity to experiment with colors they love and showcase their unique taste in design. Vibrant colors can enhance productivity and motivation. A well-designed bold color laundry room might encourage people to efficiently complete their laundry tasks. Friends, laundry rooms are often smaller spaces, making them ideal for experimenting with bold colors without overwhelming a larger area in the house. Bold colors can create a dramatic effect in a compact space. Friends, colors can affect moods and emotions. Bright, bold colors can promote a positive outlook. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.